Hello and welcome to your NAB Trade earnings season top 3. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, the Commonwealth Bank's full year cash profit hit a record $10.25 billion, up 4% on last financial year. Net profit after tax was supported by lending volume growth, stable underlying net interest margin of 2.08% and lower loan impairment charges on better economic conditions. The bank says the gains were partly offset by higher operating expenses due to inflation and accelerated investment. Technology modernisation remains a priority at the bank, including Gen AI capabilities. Chief Executive Matt Commonwealth saying the bank will maintain conservative financial settings to ensure CBA is well prepared for a range of economic scenarios. Shareholders will be paid a final dividend of $2.60 a share, bringing the full year dividend to $4.85, up 4% on the previous year. AGL Energy has swung to an annual loss amid lower wholesale power prices and narrower margins amid intensifying competition. It posted a $98 million statutory loss in FY25, including significant items of $596 million compared to last year's $711 million profit. Underlying net profit after tax fell 21% to $640 million, in line with guidance. Shareholders will receive a final fully franked dividend of 25 cents a share, taking the total dividend to 48 cents. It is guiding FY26 underlying earnings of between $1.9 to $2.2 billion, an increase of 3% on FY25.
Business fundamentals of AGL are still really strong. In particular, today we've announced and we've talked about the $900 million of investments that we continue to make in our business going forward. Some of that is in relation to the batteries that we continue to deploy, and some of that is in relation to the acquisitions that we've recently made.
Treasury One Estates is launching an on-market share buyback of $200 million as it posts a statutory net profit of just shy of $437 million. That's up close to 340%. Growth in Penfolds and a full-year contribution from its recently acquired US vineyards drove earnings growth of 17% minus operating expenses. It's pointing to a successful return to China and positive momentum of a number of key Asian markets. It expects to deliver another year of growth. However, it cautions double-digit earnings growth for Penfolds will be offset by uncertainty in the Americas business. Outgoing Chief Executive Tim Ford saying the group remained focused on execution despite headwinds in a number of markets. Shareholders will be paid a final 20-cent share dividend, with the full-year dividend up 11%. And that is your NAB Trade earnings season top 3.